I brought a couple of papers up here with me because one of these is brand new and the other is brand old. Heavy heart. It seems like dreams are more real to me walking. I'm a dead man made of glass. I was never here awkward with fog-rimmed lenses. Distance is expensive. And the far corners of the world are closer than they appear. When I'm the season, I'm less a human being and more of an itching in their ear. I become a pixel on the screen, lit up in a Times column, wrapped up in black and white type. It feels like graveyard journalism voyeurism. Dot by dot, they reflect my lifelike pointillism. And the pain fades gray as the payment empties for everybody netted. It's easy. The workforce exerts an accelerated mass toward early retirement. Is this what the vitamin when he swore he wanted it cheap?